It's open.
I'm still drinking a soda, but you know, if I'm the odd man out.
You're the odd man out.
Okay.
Check this thing out. The calm before the storm.
Okay, we gotta get this on stage.
Has endorsed City Council candidate Raj Schilling because Raj Schilling makes Charlottesville a safer place to live. I'm Rob Schilling.
I'm hot stuff.
Hot shot.
Well, it's not a Budweiser, but it's made by the same people that make Budweiser, and it has a golf ball on it.
There we go. Rolling.
This is the first beer of the day at the Scottsville 2002 Chili Championship. Yep, that's beer. Tastes good.
That's still cold.
Ned, what are you dressed for?
There's no reason to open. There's no more food to take out of that thing.
Actually, where's the cheese that I bought?
Huh? It's now time to put the...
Good, how are you?
So it's like, where do you want to play from? You want to play from the Reds? Alright. It's like, can I find a spot where the heart? There we go.
Alright, who's got the wood?
I think they got wood down there.
We are rolling.
We are at the Scottsville 2002 Chili Cook-Off. We're hoping that the rain stays away. And it's getting down close to judging time. Trying to make the final tweaks to the top secret recipe. And it requires the chili master and the magic tasting spoon. See, there's the spoon. You have to like sniff it. Taste it.
How is it, Michael?
Not perfect yet. It's close, but it's not perfect.
It will be perfect at 12:30.
But between tastes, you must always cleanse your palate. Yes, that cleansed it very nicely. Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's see the chili. Oh, yeah. Oh,
well,
Michael.
let's see.
It looks really, 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 really good.
I think it might need a little bit more of the double top secret spice from jar number 2, which is the backup jar when you don't have it just the way you want it. This is where you go to save your booty. Remember, it's not just secret, it's double secret.
Double secret,
Yes.
super secret spice mix.
Yes, it is.
Oh my. Well,
So you have to like stir it, make sure the consistency is right. You have to make sure the bean to meat ratio. See, we put this under a microscope and we measure it with a triple balance beam to make sure that it's correct. The perfect, don't ask me what the perfect balance is.
it is the best too. It's the best in the world. El Jefe Day chili.
And I'm modeling my new golf chili shirt.
Oh man, you are sharp as all get out. We got it going on right here. And what?
Made Mary.
Made Mary.
Well, it's just a good old American chili, nothing but spicy and hot.
So, are y'all from Charlottesville?
Yes,
And it's your first chili cook-off?
yes it is.
Well, we've never cooked, but we come all the time. And our buddies are over there. So, can we taste your chili?
Certainly can.
Okay. It's Flames on the James. Ask for our blister blend hot sauce. You won't be sorry. We haven't tried it yet, but it looks very cool over there. Here's Calypso Chili. They are next door neighbors to 19th Home Chili. They have some cool decorations. We tasted chili pretty good. Look at that! Woohoo! This is not rambunctious. Chili. I love it. Look at that. You want to tell us about your chili? Tell us about your chili. What's your name? What's your name?
My name Benny.
Benny.
Benny and Barry.
How many times have you been to the chili cook-off?
A lot.
A lot.
This has been here 20 years.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's why he's sitting down.
20 years.
Let me try this.
That is something to be proud of.
This one. I've been here 22 years.
22 years.
21.
Well, I guess so. You live here.
I haven't got you on the nature trail yet.
Yippee. Well, we're going to give you chili a try.
Has gator meat, shrimp, black beans, andouille, chicken.
Oh, we got the roast.
It's in there, yeah. We just did Rambo. Baby show up here.
Church day after, did you get hold of it?
Well, I have experience saying. Do y'all want some sangria?
Love it.
Turkey to the next side.
Love Scottsville chili cook-off. Is Jimmy Buffett's chili. It looks like they got the tiki bar chili going on right here. There she is. It's the tiki bar chili right back here. Look at these fellas. Oh my gosh, look, they got the sands. And look at these guys. Do you do the hula?
Sometimes.
Let's do the hula. Let's do the hula. What's y'all's names?
Chris and Rich.
Chris and Rich. Where are you from?
Luray. Yeah.
Luray. And
Luray for Luray.
And that's right. And how many times have you done the chili cook-off here? First time.
It's been here. I've been coming ever since about 10 years.
Oh, cool.
This will be fifth. This will be the fifth.
And do you have good chili?
Yes, he does.
You have good chili?
Yes, he does. He
Well, let-
has real good chili. Would you like some?
I would love some.
It's sitting in ice. We're stepping up. That's okay.
Okay.
You know, we're playing the blues. We had macaroni and cheese for breakfast, and we have one more.
All right, here you go. Wait. Don't bite that.
Check out what Sergio had to say.
See.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
We got Ernie? Yeah, Ernie. Definitely. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's talking your language, Rick. Get up and down every time. Again, suck it up.
And of course, you gotta have the aluminum glassware. What's a chili cook-off if you don't have something good to drink out of? And something good to drink.
All right, wait, I gotta take a putt here.
Now, it's got a wicked bright on it.
I noticed that.
Oh, okay. Great.
And we didn't set it up.
There you go. There's that point right there, too. See, putting's been driving me nuts for the last 2 months. Look at that.
And this shirt.
Birdie putt from less than a foot. And I missed it. I tell you, I can't putt worth a damn.
Well, you know what Thomas Edison said?
No, we actually set some aside to make sure we got it with you guys.
You know, well, I'll tell you, the two Budweiser
Thank you guys for being here.